Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce dark circles in 7 days. Dark circles are formed due to various reasons like stress, dry skin around the eyes, sleep imbalance and much more. You can reduce dark circles with this turmeric oil. Let's see how to prepare this. Take a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, add 2 teaspoons of castor oil. Add a pinch of turmeric to it. Mix it well. Transfer it to a dropper bottle. Olive oil moisturizes the skin around the eyes. Dry skin is also one of the reasons for fine lines and wrinkles. Olive oil nourishes it. It is rich in antioxidant properties which helps to get rid of wrinkles around your eyes permanently. It prevents premature signs of aging on the skin. Castor oil is highly beneficial for reducing dark circles. It cleans the skin around the eyes, nourishes, improves blood circulation and lightens dark circles. It penetrates into the skin and boosts the production of collagen, which softens and hydrates the skin. It rejuvenates the skin by making it softer and smoother. Turmeric has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric minimizes dark circles, evens the skin tone and lightens the dark areas. It also stimulates circulation, which can help to reduce puffiness and under-eye darkness caused by poor blood circulation. Before going to bed, apply a drop of oil and massage it with ring finger. Massage it under the eyes and around the eyes for 2 minutes. After that, go to sleep. The next morning, wash your face. Apply this every night and see the dark circle lighten. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.